Hey, welcome back. You need to give yourself a pat on the back because you've made tremendous progress here. We got an overview of high level and how do you first get started. We created your opt in form, right? We created a super simple landing page. You created your first automation, woo woo. And now the next thing is we are going to create a thank you page. So let me share my screen. Whoops, wrong button. Let me share my screen. And again, a quick little recap if you're just watching this maybe out of order. We're focusing, there's so many things we can do inside of high level, but instead of getting frustrated and overwhelmed, we're just focusing on this first little pillar, our lead generation tools. So what did we do? We created that opt-in form, we created our landing page, we created a simple automation, and now we're going to create our thank you page. Because once they opt in, we want to say thank you, right? So here is a simple little hack for you to speed things up. Once you have this page perfected, now remember we still have a lot of work we need to do. We're just kind of creating a placeholder. But once everything is right, the header is perfect, the footer is perfect, all that kind of stuff. Here is a simple hack for you. We are going to clone or just make a copy of this page. Okay. So down here at the bottom right, clone funnel step. And don't worry about the location. This only applies if you have like an agency, but we're going to just clone the step in this funnel right here. So I'm going to click on that. And then it's just going to make a copy of it. All right. So now here was that first page. And now here's the second one. And it just has the word clone next to it. So if I click on that, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click here in the middle. We're going to change the name here. So we're going to click that little gear. And what I'm going to call this is I'm just going to say thank you page for webinar opt-in. Okay. Again, the step name is anything you want that makes sense. The step URL is what people are going to see. Now, another quick little hack for you, I guess. Remember I said, whatever it is I'm building, I like to use the same acronym all the way through. So let's pretend like this is my beta launch workshop or webinar that I'm offering. So I'm using the BL acronym dash TY or thanks or whatever. It doesn't matter. The thank you page, it doesn't really matter as much what the URL is, but the main page, people do kind of pay attention to that. All right. So I'm just going to call it BL dash thank you. Now, why don't I just call it thank you? I could, but we can only have one unique URL. So if all of my thank you pages, if I use the same domain, I couldn't call all of them just / thank you. All right. It would be a conflict because only one person can have that name, so to speak. So that's why by using these little acronyms here before, as I'm building out my funnels, everything connected to my beta launch is going to have that BL in front of it. Everything connected to my book pickup, for instance, might the acronym might be BPU. Okay. You're with me? All right. So we're just going to update the step. That means we're just updating these titles. And then we're going to get in and we're going to edit it. So now notice up here, it's updated that name. So click on edit. And this is where the magic comes in. It's going to be easy peasy for you here. So again, over here on the left, I'm just going to X out of that. And then, okay, we don't need to opt in. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to say congrats. Oops. Thanks for signing up. And then I'm just going to say what happens next. Okay. And then I can, I might do check your inbox. Be sure to save the date on your calendar, okay, et cetera, et cetera. Or however you want to do it. It doesn't matter. All right. Now, I'm just going to delete this. Now, I could put a picture of me in. I could just have one row across. It doesn't matter. Let me come back though, because I have something super important that I want to tell you. If you've never heard this before, please pay attention. The most important page you could ever create is your thank you page. And why do I say that? Because when people opt in, they have given you their precious email. And at that moment, that's the honeymoon moment, right? They are salivating. They can't wait to get their little fingers on whatever it is that you're giving them. Now, some people on the thank you page have the link right there. Thanks for signing up. Click here and grab it. I never do that because one, I want them to get used to opening emails from me. Okay? Replay that if you need to. We want them to get used to opening your emails. The second thing is because they're anxious, because you've hooked them at this moment in time, this is a perfect teachable moment. If you have children, if you've ever had that aha moment where they're really paying attention, that's what your thank you page should be. You want to do a couple of things. You want to continue building authority. In other words, they had a problem. You told them you could fix it. You offered this little mini solution. So what did they do? They came running and they said, yes, tell me, what is it? So at that moment in time, before they've gotten your opt-in goodie, they're trusting you. So don't waste that moment. So on your thank you page, give them something else of value. So what do I mean by that? Is there a quick little video that you could put on that page? It's not that hard, but I'm not going to teach it in this segment. Just, hey, before you leave and you're struggling with XYZ, watch this 2-minute, needs to be short, watch this 2-minute video, and I'm going to help you with that issue. Okay. Or, hey, before you leave, I want to tell you, make sure that you check your email because tomorrow you'll get an email today, but tomorrow you're going to get a second email from me and I'm giving you a bonus or whatever it is. So do you see what I'm doing here? We're building anticipation. We're saying great job for signing up. I've got the solution to all of your problems. And hey, by the way, look at all this other stuff that I can help you with. So you're building that trust, that credibility. You're also building that know, like, and trust factor in the sense that the more they see you, hear you, all of that kind of stuff, they're going to feel more connected to you. So don't waste your thank you page. So let me go back to the thank you page. And I'm not going to go super deep into building this thank you page, but I'm just telling you, take advantage of this. So on this, maybe I'm going to add a video. So I'm here into my little elements that I can add. And let's see where they put the video. I'm just going to put a video placement here. And I'm actually going to add a little subheadline. And I'm just going to say, before you go, watch this too. And why should we tell them how long it is? Because they're anxious to get the goodie and they're already starting to go downhill a little bit. So we're like, wait, watch this 2-minute video that will show you how you can blah, blah, blah. Okay. Just, something simple like that. And then here's the other thing. Make sure it's worth their while. Don't try to at this point, because this was a freebie, we're not trying, you could try to sell them something. I'm more interested in building that know, like, and trust. Okay. Anyway, that's about all we have to do on the thank you page. And again, all of this, because we've already updated on the other page and made a copy, we're good to go. All right. Does that make sense what I'm saying? And so then we're just going to publish it, update the SEO, and then you can test it again and it should work. Easy peasy. So don't you feel better already? Uh, we took this jet engine and you are already a pro because you know how to create a form. Stretch yourself a little bit. Try creating a survey or something else. It's all the same concepts, okay? And then what we do, we created a very simple opt-in page or a landing page, whatever you want to call it there. Then what did we do? We embedded that form inside of that page. Then what did we do? The magic starts happening because we built a simple automation that tags them so you know where they came from, it sends them an email. There's all kinds of automation. So you could set up an automation to send you a notice. Hey, somebody just signed up for the webinar or whatever it is. You could continue to build on that automation. You could say, wait 1 day, send another email, wait 1 day, send another email. Whew, and all that kind of stuff. The sky's the limit. All right. Again, we're just scratching the surface. Let me come back here and show our simple little diagram here. So much that you can do with HighLevel. This truly is the jet engine for your business. And just take baby steps building it. And before you know it, you're going to be a pro. So if you have not signed up for GoHighLevel, what are you waiting for? I have a free 14-day trial. If you're under my what we call the affiliate, it doesn't cost you anymore, but there's all kinds of free goodies and support that you get from me if you use my affiliate. And if you want hands-on support, if you want somebody that you can call on that's actually going to help you, and someone that's going to give you a lot of these assets, is what we call them, pre-built, or a lot of these resources so that you can grow your business, then what are you waiting on? You need to join us inside of the AI Plus Digital Business Academy. I would love to have you in there. Anyway, thanks so much for watching this little mini series. Reach out, let me know, share with me what you've done, and then what else would you like to learn? All right. As always, thanks so much for watching. And hey, do me a favor, share this, share my channel with other people. I'm trying to grow it, and that would be marvelous. All right. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.